Hey everyone, welcome to Well Nest. Today, we're talking about a topic that might be a bit uncomfortable to discuss, but a very common issue: hemorrhoids, also known as piles. Piles are swollen veins in your rectum and anus, and they can cause itching, burning, pain, and bleeding. While not life-threatening, they can definitely be a nuisance. But worry not, there are home remedies that can help. Understanding piles: types, causes, and symptoms. Before diving into remedies, let's understand the two main types of piles and their symptoms. Internal hemorrhoids. These form inside the rectum and usually aren't visible or painful. However, they can cause painless bleeding during bowel movements. You might notice bright red blood on toilet paper or dripping into the toilet bowl. External hemorrhoids. These form under the skin around the anus and can be very uncomfortable. Symptoms include itching, burning, pain, a hard lump near the anus, bleeding, sometimes with bright red blood on toilet paper. Several factors can contribute to piles, including straining during bowel movements. This puts extra pressure on your veins. Constipation is a major culprit here, as it can lead to straining during bowel movements. Chronic constipation. Straining due to constipation can worsen existing piles and make them more symptomatic. Pregnancy. The increased pressure in your abdomen during pregnancy can lead to piles. Lifting heavy objects. This can also put strain on your veins in the anal region. Diet low in fiber. Fiber helps bulk up stool and makes it easier to pass, reducing straining. A diet low in fiber can lead to constipation and worsen piles. Sitting for long periods. Sitting for extended periods, such as at a desk job, can increase pressure in the veins around the rectum. Soothing the discomfort. Home remedies for piles. The good news is there are several home remedies you can try to find relief from piles. Fiber up. Just like with constipation, increasing your fiber intake is crucial. Fiber softens stool and makes it easier to pass, reducing straining. This can significantly improve symptoms and prevent future flare-ups. Aim for 25 to 38 grams of fiber per day from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Here are some high-fiber options. Fruits: berries, pears, apples. Vegetables: broccoli, Brussels sprouts, spinach. Whole grains: oats, quinoa, whole wheat bread. Sitz baths. Warm sitz baths are incredibly soothing for hemorrhoids. Fill a bathtub with warm, not hot, water, enough to cover your hips and buttocks. Sit for 10 to 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. You can add Epsom salts or witch hazel to the bath for additional relief. Witch hazel. Witch hazel has natural astringent properties that can help reduce swelling and itching. Apply a witch hazel pad directly to the affected area several times a day. Pads soaked in witch hazel are readily available over the counter at most drugstores. Cold compress. For external piles, a cold compress can help reduce swelling and pain. Wrap ice cubes in a clean cloth and apply to the area for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, several times a day. Do not apply ice directly to the skin. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory and healing properties that can soothe irritation and promote healing. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the affected area several times a day. Look for aloe vera gel that is 100% pure and free of added fragrances or alcohol. Lifestyle modifications for long-term relief. In addition to these remedies, some lifestyle changes can help prevent and manage piles. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight puts extra pressure on your veins, including those in the rectum and anus. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of fluids, around 8 glasses of water per day, keeps your stool soft and easier to pass. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can improve circulation and help prevent constipation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Avoid straining. Don't hold your breath or strain during bowel movements. If you have difficulty having a bowel movement, relax and try again later. Empty your bowels regularly. Don't ignore the urge to go to the bathroom. Delaying bowel movements can lead to constipation and worsen piles. Toilet habits. Consider using a stool softener to make bowel movements easier. These can be found over the counter at most drugstores. You can also try using a squatty potty, which elevates your knees and simulates a squatting position, which can make it easier to pass stool and reduce straining. Dietary adjustments for pile relief. Limit spicy foods. Spicy foods can irritate hemorrhoids and worsen symptoms. Reduce alcohol and caffeine. These substances can dehydrate you and contribute to constipation. Opt for water, herbal teas, and decaf coffee instead. When to see a doctor. While these home remedies can provide relief from mild hemorrhoids, it's important to seek professional help if you experience severe pain or bleeding. Hemorrhoids that don't improve with home treatment. Difficulty controlling bowel movements. Any other concerning symptoms. A doctor can diagnose the type of hemorrhoids you have and recommend the best course of treatment, which may include medication. There are various medications available to help manage hemorrhoids, such as creams, ointments, or suppositories. Minimally invasive procedures. For external hemorrhoids, rubber band ligation is a common minimally invasive procedure that cuts off blood supply to the hemorrhoid, causing it to shrink and eventually fall off. Surgery. In some cases, surgery may be necessary to remove hemorrhoids. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly incorporate these remedies and lifestyle changes for long-term relief. Don't be embarrassed to seek professional help. Piles are a common issue, and doctors are there to help. There are several things you can do to manage piles and improve your quality of life. With a combination of home remedies, lifestyle modifications, and potentially medical intervention, you can find relief and keep the tingle at bay. Live pile free and feel your best. We hope this video empowered you with knowledge and home remedies to manage hemorrhoids. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone who might be struggling with piles. Knowledge is power, and together we can tame the tingle.